Sermon number 174. When he received the news that Talha and Zubair had already left for Basra to fight against him. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. As for me, I would never be frightened of fighting or be made to fear striking, because I am satisfied with Allah's promise of support to me. By Allah, Talha has hastened with drawn sword to avenge Osman's blood, for fear lest the demand for Osman's blood be made against himself, because the people's idea in this matter is about him, and, in fact, he was the most anxious among them for his killing. Therefore, he has tried to create misunderstanding by collecting forces in order to confuse the matter and to create doubt. By Allah, he did not act in either of three ways about Osman. If the son of Affan, Osman, was in the wrong, as Talha believed, it is necessary for him to support those who killed him or to keep away from his supporters. If Osman was the victim of oppression, then Talha should have been among those who were keeping the assaulters away from him or were advancing pleas on his behalf. If he was in doubt about these two alternatives, then it was incumbent upon him to leave him, Osman, and retire aside and leave the men with him, to deal with him as they wished. But he adopted none of these three ways, and came out with a thing in which there is no good, and his excuses are not acceptable.